Joyful entrepreneurs, how are you this morning? Happy Monday. Today is day 199 of the BEStubborn Series Never Give Up. And today I want to talk about this new year that's coming. So I don't work on the Western calendar, I work on the Eastern one. I love the Chinese New Year. I love working with the moons and opening up the new year when the Chinese New Year starts, which is February the 12th. So I just did a workshop on the yesterday, learning about Year of the Ox and also the 5 Universal Year of Freedom and Discipline. And the biggest thing that came out of that was that this is going to be a year of change. It's going to be a year of changing ourselves, transformation. And it's all about balance as well. The key is balance, and it's balancing out our feminine and our masculine energies. And I call it the divine feminine, the divine masculine. So, really important this year to transform our habits and behaviors and really dig deep and learn self love. And they said it's a year of hard work, and I was thinking there, and I was contemplating hard work. Well, I don't do hard work because that nearly killed me, and also I worked with people in palliative care that worked hard, and it did kill them. And I thought, right, well, that doesn't make sense to me. So, what does hard work mean? And then I realized what hard work means is about finding that hard in you and transforming that, so you can transform that to the more softer, the love, the ease, the flow in life. And it's really about lining up the brain, the heart, and the brain so that they're in coherence, so they work together. And you have more ease, you have more grace, and yeah, so this is a year of really, really digging deep. So I'd love to invite anyone that wants to work on themselves. So important. Otherwise, there'll be a lot of hits this year to learn the lessons. Tough if we don't start to embody them. So I've got our first half-day workshop. It's free. It's on Thursday, and I'd love you to come so that you can learn why, how, and to start to transform your habits and behaviors to rewire that brain for success and access that parasympathetic nervous system for love, and really have the powerful change this year and be able to go with the flow with it. So I've just popped the link down below. So sending lots of love today, and just look at one habit, one thing you can do, and do it every day, and just make it teeny, 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 tiny, so that you can start to build that habit of success. And you teach the brain, I am successful, and then it allows more things to come into your life to affirm that to be true. So have a beautiful day. Mwah, sending lots of love, and look forward to seeing lots of you that are already coming on Thursday. And I'm not coming on tomorrow. I'm having the day off. I'm loving myself. I've been at workshops all weekend, so I'll be back on Wednesday morning. Have a magnificent day and enjoy your Monday. Happy Monday. Bye.